Did you know most people quit workouts not because of pain, but because they feel workouts are too complicated or take too long? What if I told you, you can transform your body in just minutes a day, right in your living room, no equipment, no excuses. Today, I'll show you a powerful fat-burning workout that hits every muscle, keeps your heart racing, and leaves you feeling unstoppable. And trust me, the last move will shock you. Your goal today is simple: full body fat burn and muscle activation in under 15 minutes. Every exercise is designed to hit multiple muscle groups while keeping your metabolism fired up. Here's the problem: most people waste hours on routines that don't give results. You try long cardio sessions, endless crunches, but the fat won't budge. You feel stuck, tired, and frustrated. The solution? Short, powerful, targeted moves that activate your whole body. That's exactly what this workout delivers. Let's begin. Start standing with feet hip-width apart. Quick steps to the right. Raise your left knee. Quick steps left. Raise your right knee. Keep it fast. Keep it controlled. Squat down, hands behind your head. As you rise, crunch right knee to right elbow. Back to squat, then left knee to left elbow. Feel the burn in your core and legs. Feet together, arms forward. Jump out, squat low, explode up. Land soft and repeat. This is your power move. Step back with your left leg, arms raised. Drive left knee forward to touch your right elbow. Switch sides. Explosive, controlled. Step left, bend your arms. Step right, repeat. Controlled lateral movement. Engage those side muscles. Step forward into lunge, arms on shoulders. Twist your torso left and right. Switch legs after reps. This fires your core and legs at once. Step your left leg behind your right. Cross arms forward. Return and switch sides. Keep your rhythm. Squat low, rise up and lift your leg to the side. Alternate left and right. Core tight, glutes firing. Lift your knee to touch opposite elbow, then twist and punch forward. Switch sides, power and speed. Jump up, switch legs midair like scissors. Fast, light, controlled, burn and sweat. Step back into a deep lunge, twist your torso toward your front leg. Switch sides, strong, controlled rotation. Lift your left knee, reach overhead with your right arm. Switch sides. This fires your core and stabilizers. Workout complete. You just powered through a full-body fat-burning routine. Remember, it's not about time, it's about effort. Do this consistently, and results will follow. But don't stop here. Your transformation is just beginning. Click the video on your screen now to unlock more powerful routines and become unstoppable.